welcome back to the channel. First of all, I really appreciate your support. If you enjoy the video, let me know in the comments and subscribe to get updated with the latest information. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. A quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by any of the products shown in the video. Let me ask a question. When was the last time you checked your first aid kit? Or is there even one at your home? Well, no worries, we have covered the basics. Alright, first thing is a proper first aid box. Hundreds of designs are available in the market. If you have no idea how to choose, I've put a link in the description box below to check that out. And watch till the end of the video and I will give you the whole list. Now coming to the first aid essentials, here are the main ones. Plasters. These come in varieties of sizes. You should have at least 3 different sizes. Sterile gauze. These are also same as the plasters which come in different sizes. All you need is again 3 different sizes. Sterile eye dressing. For this one you can double the sterile gauze or get a fresh pair. It really doesn't matter. Triangular bandage. These ones can save you from a lot of trouble in case of fracture in upper limb, or you can use them as a tourniquet in case of severe bleeding. Crepe roll bandage. This stretchy bandage is used to minimize the movement in case of sprain. So here are some common items that should be kept in the box. Safety pin, disposable sterile gloves, pair of tweezers, a pair of sharp scissors, alcohol-free cleaning wipes, sticky tapes and a thermometer. After this, the last set of products you should have are the creams like anti-allergic, antiseptic and pain reliever sprays. The 2 important tablets that you must have are paracetamol and a antihistamine. You should also have a basic knowledge about those 2. Now you'll be having a basic first aid kit with which you can tackle most of the emergencies. Please do consult your doctor before taking any form of drug. It is advised to keep a basic first aid instruction booklet inside your box, which may come in handy in emergency situations. Lastly, don't forget to check the expiry date of the tablets regularly. And that's it for the video. Make sure to screenshot the lists that are shown now. And thank you.